Pi Network Protocol 27. The next security gateway could change how Pi works on mainnet. Pi Network is moving through another important stage of its blockchain development as its mainnet infrastructure upgrades toward Protocol 27. This is more than simply changing a software version. Protocol upgrades can determine what types of applications and transaction logic the Pi blockchain can support in the future. And Protocol 27 is particularly interesting because it comes with major changes to authentication and authorization capabilities on the underlying Stellar technology. Stellar's official documentation confirms that Protocol 27 introduced Authentication Delegation for custom smart contract accounts. In simple terms, this allows a smart contract account to delegate its authentication logic to other addresses. That creates a more flexible foundation for complex account structures, delegated authorization, and advanced transaction security. So what could this mean for Pi, potentially? It could provide technical building blocks for more sophisticated applications, such as multi-signature wallets, business accounts, conditional transactions, decentralized applications, and more advanced on-chain financial systems. But there is an important distinction. Protocol 27 does not automatically activate every possible feature on Pi Mainnet. A protocol upgrade provides technical capabilities. Pi core team still determines which functions are actually enabled and available to developers and users. This distinction is extremely important when discussing future features such as smart contracts, decentralized exchanges, token systems, swaps, or liquidity pools. Another major question involves wallet recovery. Some discussions have connected authentication delegation with the broader concept of social recovery. Technically, delegated authentication could help developers build account systems where authorization is distributed among multiple trusted parties. However, Pi Network has not officially confirmed that Protocol 27 will allow pioneers to recover a lost Pi wallet passphrase through their security circle. So this should be viewed as a possible future application of the technology, not an announced Pi feature. What we do know is that Pi has already built a large identity-verified ecosystem. Pi Network reports more than 60 million engaged members, while its current ecosystem information lists more than 14 million KYC-verified individuals. Pi also reported that more than 16.5 million pioneers had migrated to Mainnet at the March 2026 snapshot, while approximately 18 million identities had been verified worldwide. The network also reports more than 420,000 Pi node operators. And its 2026 ecosystem updates highlight new applications involving computing, AI, identity verification, and Pi sign-in. These numbers show why the next stage of infrastructure development matters. Pi is no longer simply experimenting with a mobile mining application. It is building an ecosystem around identity, applications, payments, computing, and blockchain infrastructure. And Protocol 27 could become another important technical layer in that evolution. For every pioneer, there is one practical lesson. Do not assume that a protocol upgrade automatically means every new feature is already available. Watch the official Pi announcements, understand what is actually deployed on Mainnet, and protect your wallet credentials. Your security circle should contain people you genuinely trust, but your wallet passphrase should never be shared with anyone. Protocol 27 may open new technical possibilities, but the real question is not what the protocol could theoretically support. The real question is what Pi Network will actually activate, deploy, and turn into real utility for millions of pioneers. That is the development worth watching next.